Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kiwi fruits, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with kiwis. So if you're looking for something a little different to do, especially over the holidays, hopefully this will help you out. Combine kiwis with bananas and orange juice, or kiwis with bananas and strawberries. How about kiwis with honey and lime, or kiwis with mint and yogurt? Hopefully this will give you some idea for something a little different to do. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.